I started, we all know about the M&P 10 round mag problem where sometimes you can barely get the 10th one in, and if you can, this is clear so you know, you can barely get it in. See, this one I can barely, I squeeze it and pop it out. So basically these tabs got to be cut off. I just already did. They look like little horseshoes. So this one's ready to be reassembled. Filed it down, and then put the spring back in. There we go. Seat it up in there. This is always the little tricky part. Anybody knows a better way, please let me know. So that's in. Oop. Okay. So let's see if we can get in here. I have 9 I just took out. That's 9. That's 10. It's in, it's all tight. I take it out and shave it down a little bit more, but that's basically the 10 round mag problem fix. All right, good luck.